This video will go over how to visualize environmental data in real time in Google Earth. Google Earth is a free download available to everyone. Locations entered into FUDSChem can be mapped in Google Earth, so you can view your location spatially without having to be a GIS expert. For a richer map, you can upload GIS KML files to add layers to Google Earth. We go over this process in our Google Earth Adding KML Layers video, linked in the description. Go to Maps, Export to Google Earth. Please refer to our Exporting Chemistry Data to Google Earth and Exporting Environmental Measurement Data to Google Earth tutorials for more information on the other mapping export options. These videos are linked in the description. Choose the projects you want to view. If you are reviewing locations to make sure they are shown in the correct place before approving a location file, check the Display Data for Non-Approved Locations Only box to see only the locations that are not approved. Leaving the box unchecked will show all locations. Click Export to KML. Open the file in Google Earth. In this export, we can see that the project team has added many different KML layers. Clicking on them gives us information on each layer. For example, groundwater elevation contours have been mapped. The site boundary is shown in green. A plume is mapped along with some historical building locations. In the Places bar, we can check the desired layers to show the locations. Different location types have different icons. For example, monitoring wells are blue and white circles. Note that wells are defined by entering well completion information data. If this data has not yet been entered, the well is categorized as unspecified. Adding well completion information will allow you to specify the type of well, such as monitoring well. For more information, please refer to our Well Completion Information Entry tutorial video, linked in the description. FUDSChem also supports decision units, so in the case of ISM sampling, you can mark the entire area on the map with a shapefile, and that whole shape represents your location. This shapefile is submitted as part of the location definition information. If we click on a location, we can pull up basic information, including its coordinates and when it was established. We can also view the number of data points for various data types collected at that location. Down below, we can see the number of records for field parameters, groundwater elevations, lithology, well construction info, well intervals, well maintenance, and chemistry data associated with this well. We'll click on the number of field parameters to view a report. Google Earth features a secure integration with FUDSChem that requires you to enter your username and password before you access any data. This is the same as your FUDSChem login information. Once we enter our login information, the report opens in our browser. We can see some data for this well, including temperature, pH, etc. This report is similar to one we can access from within FUDSChem itself. These reports can all be saved in various formats by clicking on the floppy disk icon. Note that to view reports in Google Earth, you will need a specific version of the application. If you have a different version of the application, the reports may not run for you. The correct version of Google Earth is referenced in the FUDSChem user manual. The user manual is located on the Resources tab of FUDSChem.com before you log in. It can also be found under Quick Links, FUDSChem User Manual, while logged in. Let's go back and reselect the location. Similar reports are available for other data types. Let's click on the number next to chemistry. We see that we have the option to narrow down the results by analysis and result type if desired. This report allows us to review how analytes have changed over time. The detects are bolded. Let's go back and reselect the location. If we were to select Table, we would get another view of the chemistry results that have been tracked at this location over time. We will skip this one and instead look at the chart. Once we select it, we have the option to adjust the drop-downs to choose a different method group or filter by analyte. The data is listed above the chart so you can see the exact values, in addition to being shown as points on the chart. Mousing over a point on the chart will display a pop-up with the value. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.